I chose to study at Berwick because it has a very good community feel. And the lecturers take their time to get to know you and work with you as students, not as numbers.
People want to help students to have the best outcome that they can.
So to get that at a university level has been outstanding. I found that a lot of the staff here want the students to have the best experience, and naturally that's what I want as well, so it means it's a really healthy working relationship.
I enjoy how much placement and hands-on activities we get through the course.
It's definitely more hands-on here.
I feel that I'm learning skills that I'm going to use in a work situation. Every single key theory we learn is tied back to a real-world scenario.
Finding lecturers, even facilities, it's very accessible.
It's a lot more laid back and you do a lot more learning yourself in your own time, but they're always there to help if you need.
I really love that when I come here, there is a vast mix of people and personalities. It's really exciting getting to meet all these different people.
You're sort of drawn to the whole uni and everything here.
Train station's just around the corner. There's a lot of bus stops around.
I do find the location very convenient.
It's so close to everything, it's so easy to access.
I've found here is where I could do my best and achieve the most out of university.